What's up, everybody? This is Isaac with Deluxe Productions, bringing you another tack truck washing video. On this particular truck, I already did quite a bit of washing before I remembered to record, so this truck was in much worse shape than what you're seeing now. So right now, I'm just covering everything in a chemical called Pave Pro. It just helps break down all the tar, make it easier to power wash. So I just spray everything, let it sit for a while, and start washing, and then I just repeat that process for about a couple of days actually until it's ready to start ice blasting. And so I'm using a heated power washer. It's like about 200 degrees, and even then you can see it still struggles to really even make a dent in anything. So that's why it takes so many times back and forth, chemical power wash. And then if I was to just start ice blasting right off the bat, then it would take a lot more ice than it should, because then the ice doesn't, a lot of cases the ice doesn't just take it right off like you would think. The ice has to break through all the layers also, and on like surfaces like the stacks or like anything that gets like super hot on the truck, a lot of times they're just too stained to really do anything about. And on this particular truck, those wheels that you're seeing right now, they're so dirty that we decided to not even try to clean them, because it would have took too many hours and what the wheels were worth. So we ended up just buying all new wheels. We took it to a tire shop and had them switch those tires onto brand new wheels. I also replaced all the mud flaps on this truck because it just wasn't worth it, and man hours to clean them. It was cheaper to replace them. So even the cab on this truck, just everything is covered in tar residue, and so you can't ice blast paint, it would chip it all off. So I ended up covering the truck in Pave Pro and then like hand brushing it, and just a whole bunch of different processes to get all these different surfaces clean. On the tank itself, covered it in Pave Pro, ice blasted it, washed it. And yeah, so we will see a before and after, and it ended up looking like a new truck. But after I washed it, the customer also has some complaints about there are some leaks on the truck, some wiring issues, and just needed some work done to it. So after I cleaned it, I also ended up doing a bunch of work. So just sit back and watch the progress. Alright guys, so here I'm just kind of showing how I put new mud flaps on it, how bad the old one was in comparison to the new ones. No point in trying to clean those. Just throw new ones on and call it a day. Everything was starting to come together. The truck's pretty clean. You can see those new wheels look so much better. The cab is clean, tank is clean. Nothing is 100%, but much better than what it came in. I put a new hand spray hose. That's that yellow hose you see right there. I tried to clean the old one, but it wasn't making sense to do that. So we just put a new hand spray hose on it. Everything came together. All the functions on the truck work after ran some new wires and just replaced a bunch of leaking stuff on this. Then I filled the tank up with water and resprayed it and make sure it sprayed like it should and that it's clean and it's just ready for the season to pave. And it was a process, but it came out good. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, share my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.